Just tell me
So it
when.
says write your name. So Seth's gonna type his name.
Is there a Y?
Yeah, find the Y.
Where's N? Where's T?
Find it.
C. Then H.
There it is. Good job now. And we click go. Let's see what happens. Whoa! What's gonna happen next? I don't know. Who's that?
The island of Sodor is a world of wonder.
Wow.
Wait, it's like a
There
show.
is great excitement on the island of
Harold.
Sodor.
Harold.
Something special is going on.
And is this where the rescue center building will be?
That's right, Thomas. Right in the middle. It will be a magnificent building. It will be made of the strongest wood of all. Joby wood.
Later, all the engines were at the docks. They wanted to see Cranky unload the Joby wood.
The engine that has been the most really useful, by the end of the day, will pull the Joby logs to the search and rescue center.
I hope Sir Topham Hatt chooses me. Every day I make sure I'm a really useful engine.
What about me, Thomas? I'm a really useful engine, too. Suddenly, Diesel decided to shunt the Joby wood to the rescue
Have you
center
ever seen this before?
without telling anyone.
No.
Cinders and ashes. It's Diesel.
Go click on one.
This?
Yeah, the mouse. Move the mouse and then click on it. You see the arrow? Oh, you're taking Harold over there, see? That's cool.
Oh, I think I saw it here.
Awesome. Yeah, you click on one of those and then he'll go there.
So what do I do? What do I press?
Click the button right here. Yeah,
This?
go up a little bit.
This?
Though the sun is shining on the island of Sodor, something is wrong. Sir Topham Hatt is worried.
Thank you for coming. Thomas is missing, and we must find him. We'll need to look high and low across the island. Harold will head up the search mission.
Thank you, sir.
You'll need to look carefully. And I've brought in someone to help.
Terrific, sir.
There is no time to delay. Find Thomas. There are so many places to look. Are you ready to start?
Click on Emily. Good job.
Wait, why does it
You
sound like
are
Emily?
really reliable. James! I see James, the number 5
Where's
red
James?
engine. Click on James when you see him.
Good job, Seth.
Anything. But he could hear something. It was a creak, and a crunch, and then a crack, and a splash. Thomas was scared.
Fizzling fireboxes. The chain to the steamboat has snapped. Help!
Thomas whistled and wheezed, but no one could hear him. The steamboat steamed away. Thomas was left on his raft. The waves tossed and turned, and turned and tossed, until Thomas fell fast asleep.
It's magnificent.
Got it. Good job.